Morning students, Sai Ram. Welcome to Active English class. And in Active English, today again we are going to do revision. So are you all ready? I hope you all must have done the revision which we have completed in our previous period. Yes or no? You all must have practiced that. Yes? Okay. So today we'll see some more revision. Okay. So are you all ready? Shall we start? Okay. Now today we'll first see take the correct answer for the given questions. Now some questions are given to you and based on that questions 3 options will be given and you have to read the question carefully and then you have to take the correct answer from the given options. Okay, so let's start our first question. Are there any desks in your classroom? I repeat, are there any desks in your classroom? Option A, yes, there are. There are some windows. B, yes, there are. There are some desks. C, yes, there are. There are some books. Now, students, read the question carefully. What thing is asked in the question? What the question is asking? Are there any desks in your classroom? The question is asking about the desks. So, is the first option correct? See, the first option is yes, there are some windows. So, this option is correct. We are asking about windows. The question is asking about windows. No. See the second option. Yes, there are some desks. The question is asking about desk. Yes. C option. Yes, there are some books. The question is asking about books. No. So which option is correct? Yes, option B. That is yes, there are. There are some desks. See, when the thing is there, we use the word yes. Yes or no? So yes, there are some desks. So now we can count the number of desks? No. So for that we have used the word some. See, the word some is used for countable things also and for uncountable things also. Okay? Let's see the next question. Are there any dogs in your classroom? Are there any dogs in your classroom? Listen to the question carefully. Are there any dogs in your classroom? Option first, no, there are not. There are not any horses. Option B, no, there are not any dogs. Option C, no, there are not any cows. Now again read the question. Are there any dogs in your classroom? See, the question is asking about the dogs. Are there any dogs in your classroom? And in the first option, what the first option says? Listen one more time. No, there are not. There are not any horses. Second option, no, there are not any dogs. No, there are not. There are not any cows. See, the question is asking about dogs. So, which option is correct? Yes, the option B. Which option is correct? Yes, option B. See, in the question is not asking about horses or about cows. The question is asking about dogs. Are there any dogs in your classroom? Yes or no? So what will be the answer? No, there are not. There are not any dogs. Okay? Now let's see the next question. Are there any boxes in your classroom? Are there any boxes in your classroom? Option A. No, there are not. There are not any boxes. Option B. No, there are not. There are not any glasses. Option C. No, there are not. There are not any apples. Now, see your kids. See, all the three options, in these three options, there are different things used. Okay. Now, the question is asking about boxes. So, which option is correct? Yes, option A. No, there are not. There are not any boxes. Yes or no? Is the question asking about glasses? About apples? No. So which option is correct here? Option A, that is no. There are not. There are not any boxes. Okay? Now let's see the next question. Are there any children in your classroom? Are there any children in your classroom? Yes, there are. There are some pictures. Option B. Yes, there are. There are some windows. Option C. Yes, there are. There are some children. Now, listen to the question carefully. Kids, are there any children in your classroom? See, the question is asking about children. The question is asking about pictures or windows? No. The question is asking about children. So, which option is correct here? Yes, option C. Very good. Option C, that is yes, there are. There are some children. See, in the class, there are girls and boys, and together they are called as children. What they are called as? Children. So, there are some children in the class, yes or no? So, for countable things and for uncountable things, for both the things, we use the word some. Now, we can count the children. No. So there are some children. There might be 50 children. There might be 60 children. Okay. So we are not counting the number of children. Just we have written there are some children. But children are there in the class. Yes or no? Now let's see the next question. Are there any computers in your classroom? Are there any computers in your classroom? No, there are not. There are not any computers. No, there are not. There are not any laptop. Option C. No, there are not. There are not any mobiles. See, now listen the question carefully. Are there any computers in your classroom? See, the question is asking about computers. The question is asking about laptops and mobile. In the question, laptop and mobile word is there? No. So what is question asking? The question is asked related to computers. Yes or no? So are there any computers in your classroom? No, there are not. There are not any computers. So which option is correct here? Yes, option A. That is no, there are not. There are not any computers. Which option is correct here? No, there are not. There are not any computers. Okay? Now we'll see some other questions. Okay, children? So I hope you all must have understood where to tick the correct answer. First you will read the question carefully and then you will tick the correct option. Now let's see some other questions. Okay? Now take the correct answer to complete the sentence. Now here you have to tick the correct option. Correct answer you have to tick to complete that sentence. Okay? Are you all ready? Okay, let's see the first sentence. The boy is greedy. Dash. Option A. But this boy is greedier. Option B. But this boy is happier. Option C. But this boy is smaller. I repeat the question. This boy is greedy. See children, when we are doing comparison between the two similar things, we change the adjective. Okay, we change that adjective and what we add? Instead of y, what we will add? We will remove y. And what we will add to that word? IER. Yes or no? So, when we are doing comparison between two boys and both the boys are greedy. So, when we are doing the comparison between two similar things or person or place, we change the adjective. Yes or no? So, this boy is greedy. So, which option is correct here? Yes, this boy is greedier. See here. Now, in the first word, it was given greedy. G-R-E-E-D-Y. Greedy. And we have removed that Y. And instead of Y, we have written the word I-E-R. Okay. So, which is the correct option? Option A, that is, but this boy is greedier. Now read the full sentence. This boy is greedy, but this boy is greedier. Okay. Now let's see the next sentence. This box is heavy. This box is heavy. Dash. Option A. But this box is big. But this box is heavier. See, but this box is large. Now, look at the question. This box is heavy. Now, here we are doing the comparison between the two boxes. Between the two box. Okay, heavy, heavier. Okay, so when we are doing comparison between two similar things, we change the adjective. Yes or no? So, which option is correct here? Yes, option B. That is, but this box is heavier. But this box is heavier. So, how you will read the full sentence now? This box is heavy, but this box is heavier. Okay. Now, let's see the second sentence. This tree is tall. Dash. This tree is tall. Dash. Option A. But this tree is long. B. But this tree is taller. C. But this tree is thick. Now, look here kids. See, when we are doing comparison between the two similar things, we change the adjectives. Either we add IER or we add ER. Okay. So, now here, this tree is tall. So, which option is correct here? Tall. What we will add to tall? ER, then what it will become? Taller. Yes or no? So which option is correct here again? Option B. That is, but this tree is taller. See, we are doing the comparison between two similar things. So just we have add ER to the adjective. Yes or no? So this tree is tall, but this tree is taller. How you will read the full sentence? This tree is tall, but this tree is taller. Let's see the next sentence. This pencil is short. Dash. This pencil is short. Dash. Option A. But this pencil is shorter. B. But this pencil is thin. C. But this pencil is heavy. Now look here kids. But this pencil is short. This pencil is short. Now again we are doing comparison between the two pencils. That means we are doing the comparison between two similar things. Okay, when we are doing the comparison between two similar things, what we add to the adjective? Yes, very good. We add ER. So which option is correct here? Yes, option A. That is, but this pencil is shorter. Just we have add ER to the word short. So now it has become shorter. Okay. So read the full sentence now. This pencil is short, but this pencil is shorter. This pencil is short, but this pencil is shorter. Okay. Now students, I hope you all must have understood when to add IER or ER to the adjectives. Okay, when we are doing the comparison, when to add IER and ER. Okay, now I hope you all must have understood the questions which we have done today in the revision. So, keep practicing this question and all the best for your exam. Okay kids, till then, thank you.